Okay, so when you're proving is a little different than simplifying. Proving is trying to get from one side to the other. Okay, and there are things that you want to do. Okay, so essentially it's going from one side to the other. And the things you want to do are this. You start with the more complicated side. Use identities you know. Change things into sines and cosines. Factor. And simplify fractions. Alright, so we're going to look at the first one. So, it'll ask you to prove, okay? And it'll say cosine x times tan x plus sine x times cotangent x equals sine x plus cosine squared x. So here, they're giving you the problem and the answer. You have to get from one place to the other. So, you want to start with the more complicated side, which is this side. And the first thing I'm going to do is distribute this thing in. So I'll say cosine x tangent x plus cosine x sine x cotangent x. So all I did was distribute that in. Now one of my other things says change things into sines and cosines, so that makes things easier. Things cancel out. So tangent is the same as sine over cosine. And I can leave my cosine and my sine x. And cotangent is the same as cosine x over sine x. And now I'm going to cancel things where I can cancel them. So cosine and cosine cancel because there's one over the other. And then sine and sine cancel because there's one over the other. And so I get sine x plus cosine squared x, because cosine times cosine is cosine squared. And that's the same as my answer. So then I successfully proved it.